In this video, we'll take a look at the integrations between ServiceNow Security Incident Response and Zscaler. And to do so, we'll take on the role of a security analyst that's looking at a security incident that was requested by Maria. Now, let's scroll down and we can see that there are a couple of observables that have been automatically extracted in the security incident, and that one of the integrations is already at work. We can see that threat intelligence lookups have already occurred, and it's been found that this particular observable is malicious. But let's say it hadn't been. Well, we can leverage one of the other integrations between Security Incident Response and Zscaler, and that's to use their sandbox. So we just click on the observable and then select Submit to Sandbox. Then we choose the configuration we want to use. In the demo, we're just going to use a single configuration, and then click Submit to Sandbox. And we can see that at the top of the security incident, a new tag has appeared. Now, it's going to take a little bit for the sandbox to run, but once it's done, you can see that the submission has completed. Now, scrolling down, we can see additional information has been added to the work notes. We can see not only the submission, but also information about the results. And all of these are clickable here. But let's scroll down and look at the submission results. We can see that there's a lot of information, including the finding directly from the security incident. So we don't need to drill into this particular submission information to know that it is malicious. But let's take a look. We'll open it up and we can see additional information. It even has a report that's attached to the submission results. And we can see a lot more info about this, such as the category and the score that Zscaler gave it. So a lot of really useful information for the security analyst. Now that we know we need to take action on this security incident, let's use the third integration with Zscaler. These fully customizable lists are created on Zscaler Internet Access and allow the security analysts to choose exactly how traffic using that IP address is handled. In this case, we'll add it to the deny list. Once we click Submit, you'll note that a new tag appears at the top of the security incident. Finally, the work notes also show that the observable was successfully added to the deny list. As you saw, we're able to step through all of the processes that we need to do in a security incident without ever actually leaving this page, thanks to the orchestration capabilities between ServiceNow Security Incident Response and Zscaler. You saw that we were able to automatically send observables out for threat intelligence lookups. And when we want to have more information, we could submit observables to the Zscaler sandbox. And finally, when we want to ensure that our systems are protected, we can submit observables to Zscaler Internet Access to make sure that they're handled appropriately, whether that's allowing them, blocking them, or routing them using customized lists. That's a quick look at the integration between Zscaler and ServiceNow Security Incident Response.